The drum and sprocket drive your chainsaw's chain. The drum is installed over the clutch and has the sprocket attached to it. There is a needle bearing that is pressed into the drum. When the saw is throttled up, the clutch expands, contacting the drum and causing it to spin. The drum will wear after years of use. It can be burned or warped if the saw is accidentally run with the brake on. The sprocket will wear from constant contact with the chain. After years of use, the needle bearing can also wear out. Replacing the drum and sprocket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover from the saw. The side cover is held in place with 2 nuts. Once the nuts are loosened, I'll loosen the tension on the bar. Now I can remove the nuts. And before I remove the side cover, I want to make sure that the brake is unlocked. Now I'll remove the chain from the bar. I'll push the bar back, pull the chain off the sprocket on the front of the bar, and then pull it away from the rear sprocket. With the chain removed, now I can remove the bar. Now I can remove the clutch. There's a special clutch removal tool. It has 2 pins that fit into a couple of grooves on the clutch. Then I use an impact driver to remove it. With the clutch removed, now I can just simply slide the clutch drum off the shaft. Now I can install the new clutch drum. If the rear washer came off, you'll want to replace it first, followed by the clutch drum, the inner washer, it's the larger one, and the clutch. And I'll use the same tool and impact driver to secure it. Now I'll reinstall the bar. I place it over the studs and I'll slide it back as far as it'll go. Now I can reinstall the chain. First, I place the chain around the rear sprocket. Next, I'll align the driver links with the groove in the top of the bar. I'll pull the bar tight, bringing the chain up to it. At this point, make sure that the cutters are pointing rearward on the bottom of the bar. Now I can replace the side cover. With the side cover in place, I'll install the bar nuts, but leave them loose, only finger tight at this point. Now I'll hold the front of the bar up and turn the tension screw to tighten the chain. I don't want it too tight. I should be able to still pull the chain away from the bar, but it shouldn't be able to pull a complete driver link out of the bar. That looks good, so I'll go ahead and tighten up the nuts. And that's all it takes to install a new drum and sprocket on your chainsaw.